selling an ebook on Gumroad. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how to sell a book on Gumroad. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at their website. You just have to be at their website and you just have to click on this start selling. And after start selling, it will want you to log in. If you don't currently have any account, you can create a new account by continuing it with Facebook or Google. It totally depends upon you. And now after logging in, you will see this page. Now here you just have to click on this create your first product and you will see, and it will take you to this page. Now here you just have to type in the name of the product. Suppose I want to sell an ebook. I'm just going to type in manga. So after typing in, you just have to select an ebook over here and set the price of your book. So I'm just putting it $20 and then I'm going to click on next, customize. And they will want me to add further information about my book. So you just have to add all of the information, including your book. You need to upload your book as well. After that, you can describe about your book. You can also add the URL. You can also add the cover to your book, and you can also upload the thumbnails for your book. And you need to fill out all the information. After that, you just have to click on save and continue. What it will do is it will publish your book into Gumroad. So when anyone buys your book, you will receive money in return. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.